Hi, I'm Hua. You know Armaspeed launched BMW G20 forged carbon pedal shifter to the market. But do you know Armaspeed has luminous addition for G20 pedal shifter? I'll show you what's the difference between these two and how to install it. Forged carbon fiber mixed with luminous material that makes this pedal shifter glow in the dark. When it's not glow, just put it under the sun and it will glow again. This is forged carbon pedal shifter and this is luminous addition. One will glow in the dark and another one doesn't. Plus means increase and minus means decrease. It's easy to see when you drive. There is a little bulge in the back of the pedal shifter that makes your finger easy to feel it. Very user-friendly design. The box comes with the 3D stickers. All you need to do is to tear off and stick on. Then you are good to go. The pedal shifter makes the driver's seat feels like combat mode, especially the luminous addition. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.